Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for that property in St. Mary area that awaits your finishing touch? Well, if you are, take a look at this property that is approximately 96% complete. Located in the Boscobel area and about 10 minutes from the Ian Fleming Airport, the property has potential to be a family home or used for investment purpose, especially with the news of American Airlines plans to do non-stop flight to that airport from Miami. This 4,950 square feet property is a split-level house which sits on a 9,637 square feet lot at the end of a cul-de-sac. This house comprises of 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, living room, family room, dining area, kitchen, foyer, powder room, double carport, front and rear verandas, balconies and laundry. The area for completion, bathrooms, kitchen, garage, and sections of the veranda. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $311,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.